Okay, continuing on. I had to pause it for a minute. Camera's my phone right now, so 'cause I ain't rich enough for a camera. Okay, this is Cloud Spun. That's beautiful. And oh, I can't wait. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the colors on this. Look at these colors. They're beautiful. My lighting's not doing them any justice. There's a freaking glitter in there. Okay. Can't wait for this one.
I don't know if I can do it. Somebody says shit all possible.
Okay, next is Miss Bliss. Miss Bliss. This one looks like a fun one. Keep in mind that I'm doing this live, and I should be keeping the camera under my hand so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. All right. Here is Miss Bliss. It's more of like a peachy type neutrals, and another glitter in there. I freaking love glitter. That's a very pretty one too. Look at that. Look at these colors. That's going to be fun. Okay, pausing again.